Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic screen rotation on this device. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display section. In it, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to, you can go into Tab menu instead and tap on Lock Orientation icon. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!